Solving rational equations. In this video, we'll solve two examples of rational equations, and we'll also find the forbidden values that aren't allowed to be solutions. Well, this is a rational equation. It has an equal sign, and we're going to solve and find what x is to make the equation true. But since it's a rational equation and we have some denominators, there's going to be some forbidden values. Any number that we put in place of x that makes the denominator equal to 0 is a forbidden value. So if x is -2, -2 plus 2 will equal 0, and so -2 is a forbidden value. The way you find them is to set the denominator equal to 0 and solve. So if I set 3x plus 6 equal to 0 and I solve, I get 3x equals -6 and x equals -2. So the only forbidden value here is -2, and we've found it. Now if we solve and we get a solution of x equals -2, we'll know that it's not a real solution that will work in the equation. The next step of solving is to find the least common denominator. So let's look at the two denominators, and we see that 3x plus 6 isn't factored. So we'll factor it. I factor out 3, and it's 3 times x plus 2. So the least common denominator for 1, x plus 2, and 3 times x plus 2 is 3 times x plus 2. Since it's an equation, I can multiply both sides by the same thing, and that will allow me to clear fractions. When I multiply by the LCD, it will cancel out all the denominators in the problem, and I won't have any more fractions. I'll just have an equation. On the left, I need to distribute. So I'm multiplying 3 times x plus 2 times 1, and that just gives me 3 times x plus 2. Now when I multiply it times 5, it's over x plus 2, and so I can cancel the x plus 2's. And now that's not a fraction anymore, it's just 5 times 3. On the other side, I'm multiplying 8 times 3 times x plus 2, but the 8 is over 3 times x plus 2, and so I can cancel out the whole denominator. Blam! So the new equation is 3 times x plus 2 minus 15 equals 8. Let's solve that. I'll distribute the 3 and get 3x plus 6 minus 15 equal 8. That simplifies to 3x minus 9 equal 8. And if I add 9 to each side, I get 3x equals 17. So if 3x equals 17 and I divide both sides by 3, x equals 17 over 3. Now 17 over 3 is not the forbidden value of x equals -2, so it's a good solution. We solved the problem. Here's another rational equation. Let's start by finding the forbidden values. The denominators are y minus 5. So if I set y minus 5 equal to 0, I get y equal 5. And so if I put 5 in for y here, I'll get a 0 in the denominator, which is absolutely forbidden. So y cannot equal 5. The other denominator is y plus 5. If I set y plus 5 equal to 0, I get negative 5. So negative 5 is also a forbidden value. Now that I've found those, I need to find the lowest common denominator. The denominators are y minus 5 and y plus 5 and 1. So the lowest common denominator is y minus 5 times y plus 5. Alright, well now we'll multiply both sides by the LCD. When I multiply on the left, I can see that the y minus 5 is going to cancel the y minus 5 in the denominator. And what's left is going to be y plus 5 times y minus 7. On the left, I need to distribute. When I multiply y plus 2 over y plus 5 times y minus 5, y plus 5, it will cancel out the denominator. And I'll just have y plus 2 times y minus 5. The y plus 5's, this one and this one, canceled out. Finally, I'm going to multiply 1 times that lowest common denominator. So that's going to give me plus y minus 5 times y plus 5. Well, there's a lot of multiplying to do here, but no more fractions. So let's multiply these two binomials, y plus 5 times y minus 7. I get y squared plus 5y minus 7y is minus 2y. And 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. On the right, I have y plus 2 times y minus 5. So that gives me y squared plus 2y minus 5y is minus 3y, and 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Then I'm adding y minus 5 times y plus 5, and that gives me y squared minus 25. Let's simplify. So I have y squared and another y squared. That's 2y squared. Minus 3y is the only y term, but there's a minus 10 and a minus 25. That gives me minus 35. So y squared minus 2y minus 35 is equal to 2y squared minus 3y minus 35. I want to get 0 over here, so I'm going to subtract y squared and add 2y and add 35, and I'm going to do that on both sides. That way, everything will be all on one side. So then I have 0, and 2y squared minus y squared is y squared, minus 3y plus 2y is minus y, and the 35's just cancel out. Y squared minus y can be factored. 0 equals y times y minus 1. So I have two solutions. One of them is y equals 0, and the other is y minus 1 equals 0 or y equal 1. Well, now I check. Are those my forbidden values? No. My forbidden values are 5 and negative 5. So this is a good solution. Y equals 0 or y equal 1.